Hello everyone, North American Math Contest Go Go Go. Today we are going to continue talking about logarithm. So this time I'm going to first introduce you some logarithmic key rule. So the first one is log b1 is equal to 0. This one is very simple because b to the power of 0 is 1, so we can say log b1 is 0. And then log bb is 1 because b to the power of 1 is b, so log bb is 1. And then log CAB is equal to log CA plus log CB because, I don't know, just remember it. I mean, to be honest, it's actually provable if you try that. But I'm not going to prove it for now. The next one is log CA divided by B is log CA divided by log minus log CB. And then this one is log CA to the power of n is equal to n log CA, and the last one log BA is equal to log XA minus log XB. The last rule is really called base change rule. I'm then going to introduce you some of the very common error that everyone would make. First of all, not everyone, but it's very easy for you to make. Not like everyone will make. Let me see. Equation. Right, equation, yeah. So first one, log x plus y is equal to log x plus log y. Yeah, distribution rule, right? But it's not using logarithm, sorry. Next thing, let me think. Log x plus log y is equal to log xy. That's an extension to the first one. Wait, that should be right. Never mind. Well, I'm getting the mistake. Log x plus y is equal to log xy. That is also a common mistake. Basically, that mistake confuses the first one, and then use the first one with the rule 3 to get log x plus y is log xy. The third one, log xy is equal to log x times log y. Yeah, that's also similar to the first one, right? Basically, we use the multiplication rule in a wrong way. Log x times log x is equal to log x squared. That's all. So not this one. Log x squared. That's also a common mistake. Because log x times log x, it is equal to log x squared. But this thing does not equal log x squared. Yeah, next rule is, log a divided by log b is log a divided by b. So basically that rule considers log as a constant. Instead of way of calculation, so that is definitely wrong. Okay, so let me think. Yeah, log b divided by b. Log b with base a divided by b is equal to log base a 1. Yeah, so basically that's a similar mistake to the previous one, because we consider b as, log as b as a constant, but it's actually a constant, but you can't just because the first one is in log and the second one is not in log, so you cannot divide them directly. So those are some common mistakes that you will make, so be aware of them. The first type of question that you will usually encounter is that you rewrite the logarithm in some of the things. So for example, let's see this example. Rewrite the logarithm log 56. How should we do that? So the first thing is that to solve that, two of the rules are going to be commonly used. Rule 3 and Rule 4. Log CAB is equal to log CA plus log CB, and log CA divided by B is equal to log CA minus log CB. So just keep those rules in mind. The first thing that we need to do is to divide them, use prime factorization, which is going to be pretty simple. 56 divided by 2 is 28. 28 divided by 2 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 7 is the prime number. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. So log log 15 is equal to log 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Okay, so log 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 can be simplified into this one. You may be very confused how that works. Yeah, you are confused, right? So I'm going to tell you log 56 is equal to log 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Think about it like this. Log 4 times log 14, right? And then log 14 can be further simplified into log 2. Sorry, log 4 plus log 14, sorry. Log 2 plus log 2. And then log 14 can be simplified into log 2 plus log 7, so it becomes this. And then we simplify them and we are done. 3 log 2 plus log 7. Let's see the second practice problem. Condense the following equation. Basically, when you are doing the, what's that called? The logarithmic problem, there's always, that type of problem is always going to be shown. So basically, you are required to condense the formula with a given x, which sometimes is going to be pretty difficult. So the first thing we are going to do is look at this equation, right? We can see that in the left side, it can apply rule 5 directly, but in the reverse order. So it's n log CA. Think about this. N, you place it to the a square, and then you can simplify. So n can be placed there. So it becomes 2 can be placed on the top of x plus 4. So it's x plus 4 squared. This becomes 2 log base 3x plus 4 squared minus log 3x. And then we can use rule 4, division rule, which is log 3 x plus 4 squared divided by x. Okay, now let's talk about the third, what's that called? The third question. Condense this thing. Before we do that, I need to talk to you about an additional rule. Log A1 divides by log AB is equal to log base B A. Yeah. So using this rule, the first thing you can do is that you can change it into log 2 with base 10 and log 5 with base 10 respectively, and then you time it up, which log AB plus log AC is equal to log ABC. So 2 times 5 is 10, which means that log 10 with the base of 10 is going to be equal to 1. So 1 is our final answer. We come to our ultimate question. So solve this thing in terms of logarithms. Yeah, so considering this, it would be, considering this, it would be like, first thing you need to do is you need to add the logarithm to both sides, which is very important because, yeah, because it's just you add log on both sides. And then you use the multiplication rule, which is rule 3, I think. Then it becomes log 3 plus log 2 to the x minus 2. And then you put the x minus 2 exponent into the place before log. So it changes from here to actually here. So x, this thing. And then this becomes this. Because this can also be placed before the logarithm. So it's x log 6, right? So, and then you use the, what's that called, distribution rule. X log 2, 2 log 2, 2 log 3, x log 6. So it becomes this. And then you use the reorganization of the entire equation. And then you factor out it. And then what you get is that you separate x, and this is your final result. Log 4 minus log 3 divides by log 2 minus log 6. Here we come to the end of our lesson. I hope you have learned a lot. I will say see you next week. Bye bye.